How to fix Instagram login error on Android. If you've been trying to log in to the Instagram app on an Android device, but it's giving you some kind of error. Now, first of all, it's actually quite very simple to fix these. What you have to do is just make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Second, you can just try to go ahead and then check if your credentials are correct. So make sure that your credentials are correct over here. And once you've done that, you can just try to check if your password username is correct and tap the login button. If you forgot your credentials, tap on forgot password and then you can try to reset your credentials if that's the case. Hopefully that would help you solve it. If it's still not working, do not try from the same tab over and over again. Close the Instagram app completely and long press the Instagram app icon. Tap on the eye icon to come to the app info page. Then go to storage, then clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. And hopefully that should help you solve the problem. If not, check if the Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.